Hey everyone, Professor Baldwin here. Today we're going to look at the word problem where you're calculating revenue and trying to decide if you should hire another employee or not. We're asked to use r of x equals 108 times the square root of x to evaluate r of 16 minus r of 15. If the salary for that 16th employee is $25,000, is it a good decision to hire the 16th employee? Well, first we need to use that function, r of x, and calculate the revenue for the 16th employee and the revenue for the 15th employee. Then we'll know exactly how much that 16th person is earning for our company. Now, remember with function notation, r of x is just saying there's a function r that you're going to change the value of x for. So you don't mess with anything on the left-hand side. You're just working with everything on the right-hand side, the 108 square root of x. So to calculate r of 16, you're only calculating 108 times the square root of 16. And likewise, r of 15, we're calculating 108 times the square root of 15. So if I get my calculator out, we'll see that 108 times the square root is blue, so I have to do second square root of 16 equals 432. Well, remember this is in thousands, so this is $432,000. Now let's look at r of 15. There I have 108 times the square root of 15. And that's 418,000 and then some extra. But we care about just the thousands. So 418,000. Now that we know the revenue for 16 employees is 432,000 and the revenue for 15 employees is 418,000, we can calculate that difference, r of 16 minus r of 15, which is equal to 432 minus 418. And 432 minus 418 is 14,000. So think about this if you're a business owner. That 16th employee brings in a revenue of 14,000, but you're having to pay them a salary of 25. So the salary you have to pay them is greater than how much money they're earning for your company. So would you hire that person if you have to pay them $25,000 for them to earn you $14,000? No, don't hire. Because it's going to cost you that extra $11,000.